Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget turn on your notification. As always, I'm sharing great contents every day. Alright, let's continue with the operators. Before starting my project, let's switch to the development section first. We are in development now, perfect. Let's make this section a command, not to confused while studying, and let's minimize this calculation section. Oops, I'm going to take this one here. I would like to see the title. Okay, alright, let's continue with the operators. Alright, so what's these operators? We use those operators to compare the datas, and we receive the condition as a result. Okay, so mostly we use for the if blocks, if statements, but the if statements is going to be our future lesson. So I'm going to start using with the bool data types. I'm going to assign the result as a bool data types. Okay, let's create some samples and you will understand what I'm trying to tell you. Condition 1. Alright, I'm gonna show you the first equal. So we used equal logic to compare two data types, and to do that we use two equal signs. This is one logic. It checks 500 is equal or not to 400. As a result, if it's true, the result is going to be true. If it's false, it's going to be false then. Let's see the result now. Condition 1. Operators, let's see the result now. As you can see, the result is false. Let's copy this section and try to use not equal. Let's copy this variable to our result. If 500 is not equal 400, we're going to receive true. Otherwise, we're going to receive a false. Let's have a look. As you can see, second result is true, which is 500 is not equal 400. It is true, correct. They are not equal, right? Okay. We can use those section with two of them. The string, char, or boolean, doesn't matter. Let's use a string now. For example, London is not equal to Manchester. Alright, let's make a free. Let's have a look at our third condition. London is not equal to Manchester. Let's have a look. Okay, let's make an equal result. This type is London. Alright, condition 4, and we will receive a true message if I'm false message, because they are not equal. This is false. Okay, you understand the equal and not equal. Let's continue with greater, lesser, less than, something with those conditions. Okay, so 500 is bigger than 400, right? Let's make a condition 5. It must be true if I'm correct. Let's have a look now. It's true. And what if I use less than instead of greater than? So we're going to get a false result. Let's have a look again. As you can see, we got a false result here. Alright, let's use something different now. Let's copy this section again. And 500 is less than 400 and equal. What if I use this operator? 7, 7. Is it less than 400? No. Is it equal? No. So we're going to get, as you can see, false result here. We have false. Yeah. What if I have less than? We're going to false again. But this time I'm going to use 500. So it's bigger than and equal. What's gonna happen now? Eight, 7, condition 8. Let's have a look. We should have get a result which is true, as you can see. These two operators is checking both situation. If it's one of is correct, we get result is true. If it's smaller than 400 or equal than 100, we're going to get a result. So let's check. Is it bigger than 500? No. If it excuse me guys, if they are equal each other, so we're going to get a true result. Okay, perfect. So let's continue with the let me have a look. Less than, okay, and or operator. So let's make a little bit complicated. Bool condition 9. So the first condition is 500 smaller, lesser than 400 and equal, and we use and sign 2 times to make 2 statement, 2 condition. Okay, now let's add some string. Antalya not equal to London. So what's gonna happen now? So it's going to check 2 statements. The first one is 500. Is it smaller? Is it lesser than 400 or equal 400? And Antalya is not equal to London. So if you use AND operator, if you would like to get the true result, the both statements must be true, right? Now let's have a look our result. Condition 9. We get a false result because we have this statement which is false, and this is true, this is false, so we get a false because we using and. What if I use or instead of at? So what's the result is going to be then? 10. Okay, if you use this sign, it is expected at least one of these 2 statements is correct to get a true, right? So if one of these statements is correct, we're going to get a true. Let's have a look at the result again. So we have false again. let's have a look why we have a false. Oh, we did wrong because we have to assign 10, right? Okay, let's have a look again. It's my bad, sorry guys. We have true result. Okay, let's check now. So we have 500 and 400 to data. Is it equal? No. Is it bigger than 500? No. So this is false. But this string not equal to this string, so we have a true because we used not equal operator. So we have at least one true, so we get true as a result. So this is how we using operators. Okay, perfect. Let me have a look my notes. Is there any operator should I tell you? Okay, let's continue with the decreasing and increasing operators. Okay, condition 3. By the way, we must use 3 here as well. Okay, yeah. Increasing and decreasing. So let's assign a variable initial number. Let's type at 25 here. Okay, and let's type this initial number to our screen and console write line. Let's change our initial number. Okay, initial number plus plus. If I use plus plus operator, it's automatically at one top of 25. Then it's going to be 26. Let's console write line initial number again, and let's do the same codes one more time, and let's make it decreasing so we can consider double minus. It's going to be decrease the total number with 1. Okay, so we supposed to see now 26 here and plus 1 27 here, and again minus 1 26 again. Let's have a look. As you can see, 25 26 27 and 26 again. Perfect. I'm going to finalize our, let me have a look. I'm going to finalize my operators here, and I'm just checking my notes. I don't want to miss anything, guys. Okay, it seems we finished everything. Okay, I'm gonna finish this lesson here. Let's make a commitments. Let's have a look what we wrote previous lesson. Where is my manage branches? Calculation lessons. Let's type here operators. Operator lessons. Okay. Let's commit all. We are in development. Operator has been done. Let's switch to the main. Right click on dev, and where is my merge? Okay, perfect. It's done. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this lesson here. If you like the video, I will be appreciated. It motivates me really too much. And if you would like to ask a question, don't forget to drop a comment below the video. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.